Hello everyone, and welcome once again to my Excel in 5 minutes tutorial series. I'm Hadi Dolapo, and today we'll be looking at the continuation of dates in Excel. So in the last couple of videos we have been discussing the dates in Excel and how Excel handles dates. So in this particular video we are going to be looking at how we can subtract months from a particular date. In the last video we looked at how we can add a number of months to a particular date, and here we're also going to be looking at how we can also add and subtract year from a particular date. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. So in order to start, let us just give an arbitrary date here. So let's say the February 8th of February 2016. So let's give it a month difference of about, say we want to know the month in the last 5 months, in the next 5 months. So just like we showed you in the last video, we use the edate function. Select the start date and then the number of months, and it gives us the answer in serial number, and then we can easily format these to the dates. So this is a shortcut to easily format our number to date. So this is the date 5 months from this particular start date. So let's assume that we want to go back in time about 5 months. How do we do that? So all we just have to do in this case is to put a minus sign in front of our number. So this is trying to imply that we want to look at the days 5 months before this particular date. So all we have to do is to use the same edate function. Select the start date and then select the number of months, and you're good to go. Format these as dates. Normally this should automatically give you the dates, the results in dates. I think I have a little bit of issue with my Excel. I'll try and fix that much later. But if you are having your answer in serial number, just change the format here to that of a short date or a long date, whichever one you prefer. Now let's look at the year difference. How do we handle the year difference? For the year difference, all it takes is just a little bit of calculation. So let's give it another date. So let's say October, the 24th of October, say 2007. Now I want to look at it 5 years from now. How do we do that? So Excel does not have a special function for these. We will have to tweak the edate function. Now what we'll be doing is that we are going to be multiplying these dates by 12, since we have 12 months in a year, and here we have our dates, the 24th of October 2012. That is 5 years from then. So now if you also have the same thing, if you want to go back in time 5 years away from the start dates, you can easily use the edate function as well, selecting our start date and then multiplying the months by 12. Then one last function that I'd like us to take a look at on the dates function is the end of dates function. So let's say we want to look at 5 months from a particular date, but we do not want that exact day, we want the end of the month for that particular month. So that is where we have the EO date function, EO month function. So basically, let's say 5 months. So we already know that 5 months from this is the July 8th of July 2016. So if you have this and then we give it a 5, we should have the last day in July. Okay, we format these to date. That's 1st of July 2016. So that's all for now. Thank you very much for watching the video through. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video.